Alright, so just a quick walkthrough of how to do the mark and recapture just in case you missed it. First off, go to Google Classroom, click on Join Class Gizmos, and you're going to use this code over here. It's blurred out right here because I don't want you using the wrong code, but there's one for each class. Done. Once you're finished with that, open up the Google Doc. This link will take you to the spot that you're supposed to go. Do not do the assessment questions. You're going to do a bunch of extra work for nothing. Before I forget, scroll all the way to the bottom. This part you can skip, so don't do anything past here. This was just in case the simulation was not working. Alright, now let me walk you through bits of the simulation. So this is what it looks like. This is number 1, number 2, number 3. I want you to tag which of these. Is it 1, 2, or 3? Which one is little n? Which one is big M, 1, 2, or 3? Which one is little m, 1, 2, or 3? Alright, once you have that settled, the first one is just one sample. Normally we don't take one sample, but here I want you to go catch 20 fish. So on this little slider, well actually before you even do that, just turn on total fish in pond. This is how many you're going to mark. In the first problem it said 20. Okay, done. Marks 20 fish. Now go back and it tells you, okay, now I want to release them and then go catch 40 fish from the same pond. Alright, so I'm going to tell it, okay, I want to catch 40 fish. Okay, done. Next, click catch and check. So I click catch and check. There it is. Now your numbers are going to be different than mine, but it caught 40 fish, including these 3 red ones. So out of the 40, 3 of them were marked. So I come over and what is my big M? Well, I initially tagged 40 of them. Now I waited a few days. Then I went back and I caught some more. This happens to be 40. Out of the 40, how many of them had the mark that I originally placed? 3 of them. All right, now I run my equation. I'm not going to give you the answer here, but it is big M divided by little m times how many I caught. Now your numbers are going to be different. Okay, so don't just, maybe by pure chance they match mine, but for the most part they should be a little bit different. Okay. Tell me what the actual population or the total population is right here. My number happens to be 115. Yours will be different. So like I would type in 115. Was my estimate plus or minus? So maybe I was over by 50, so I would put plus 50. That means I overestimated. All right. Next, you're going to go ahead and create a new pond. So just go click new pond because you're moving to a brand new pond. And in this one, I want us to tag 50 fish. So we're going to tag 50 fish this time. All right. And in this one, there happens to be 397. All right. Now, it says set the fish to catch the number you see in the data table. Now, the number in the data table, you could pick them at random. I'm going to show you some numbers. You could use these numbers totally fine. Okay. If you get a 0, okay, if you get a 0, then go ahead and redo it. So this is big M. Little n is how many you catch. So I'm going to set this to, okay, I want to catch 48 of them. Okay, I want to catch 48 of them. I'm going to click catch and check. Okay, out of the 48, because I caught 48 of them, right? Out of the 48, 6 of them had the mark. Okay, so big M is, okay, how many did I originally mark? 50. And this doesn't change. Okay, so like all of these are going to be, for me, they're going to be 50. Okay. And then my little m is, okay, out of the 48 that I caught, how many had the mark? 6 of them. So that would be 6. And now I could estimate my population size. So what were the actual number of fish for my pond? My pond in this case, 397. I want an average n, so I'm going to take all of these, add them up, divide by 4, and then, oh, okay, I was over by 60. So like my number is 397. So again, just tell me, are you over or under that number based on your averages? All right, so again, I'm going to get rid of these numbers. More than welcome to use these right here. It's totally fine. Once you're done with this, then go ahead, like you can't see me for points if you were absent, go ahead and click on a new pond and then do it again. Now, stop here. That's it. Don't go past this. You don't need to do it. Click submit.